Hi, welcome to another explainer of Know From Best. Today, we are diving deep into Scrum roles, what they do, how they work together, and how they deliver amazing results. So let's get started. Scrum has three key roles: product owner, Scrum Master, and developers. Together, these three roles form a self managing cross functioning team. That means no bosses, no hands off, and no blaming games. Just collaboration, ownership, and continuous improvement. Let's start with product owner, also referred as PO. POs are the voice of clients. PO owns the product backlog. He defines and prioritizes what needs to be built. PO represents the customer and business goal. He accepts or rejects the work based on definition of done. Think of PO as team's GPS. They are not telling us how to build it, but they are setting a clear destination and making sure we are going in right direction. Next up is Scrum Masters, often misunderstood as project managers, but they do things really differently. Let's look at some of the key responsibilities of Scrum Master. Scrum Master is responsible for coaching the team on Scrum principles. They facilitate all the Scrum events. They remove blockers. They shield the team from outside interruption. Scrum Master supports the PO and developers in staying focused and effective. The Scrum Master is like team's coach and servant leader. They are not the boss, they are the enablers. If the product owner sets the direction for the team, Scrum Master clears the path. And finally, we have the developers. This can be anyone who contributes towards building a product increment from backlog items. They can be programmers, designers, testers, analysts, or BSAs. Let's look at some key responsibilities of these developers. So they commit to the sprint goal, they collaborate on how to deliver the work, they ensure the quality and completeness of the work, they own the process and the outcome. In Scrum, developers are empowered to organize themselves. There is no micromanaging, they decide how to get the work done and they own the outcome. Now, here is the magic. When all three roles are aligned, Scrum really shines. The product owner brings clarity and focus, the developers build and own the work, the Scrum Master fosters healthy environment and continuous improvement. It's not hierarchy, it's collaboration. Each role is essential and success comes from working together, not working in silos. Let's do a quick recap. Product owner owns the backlog and represents the customer needs. Scrum Master coaches the team and remove obstacles. Developer build and deliver the product increment. That's it for this explainer. I will see you in the next one.